State Capture Commission chairperson Raymond Zondo has dismissed former State Security Agency head Arthur Fraser's application to cross-examine certain witnesses. Now, the acting Chief Justice Zondo's judgment relied on the basis of Fraser's inability to justify why he should have access to classified information. The malfeasance Fraser is accused and includes increasing the budget of SSA Director General Office by over 250 million rand. That's in the 2016-2017 financial year. This was just 8 months before the hotly contested 2017 ANC elective conference at Nasrec. Newzroom Afrika senior politics reporter Ziyanda Ngcobo has those details.
Former spy boss Arthur Fraser was seeking to be given the opportunity to cross-examine witnesses who'd implicated him in malfeasance when he was still head of the State Security Agency. Fraser also claimed the Zondo Commission had treated him unfairly and allowed a narrative that he'd committed treason. At some stage, the former Correctional Services Commissioner threatened to unleash state secrets in a bid to clear his name. But Zondo maintains Fraser had plenty of opportunities to get his side of the story heard and failed to follow the Commission's rules which guide applications for leave to cross-examine witnesses.
Rule 33 of the Rules of the Commission make it clear that if an implicated person wishes to give evidence himself or herself, or to call a witness to give evidence on his or her behalf, or to cross-examine a witness, he or she must, within 2 weeks from the date of notice, apply in writing to the Commission for leave to do so, and the chairperson will decide the application.
Fraser also claimed he would not be able to complete his statement to the Commission if he wasn't granted access to certain documents from the State Security Agency to be able to respond to the allegations leveled against him. But Zondo says affidavits submitted by SSA Acting Director General Tony Msimanga and others state that he was invited to the agency's offices but failed to pitch up and couldn't pinpoint which information he wanted exactly. Fraser was appointed in 2016 by former President Jacob Zuma and has been accused of setting up parallel intelligence networks designed to protect Zuma from his political foes.
Why did the applicant launch an application in the Commission for an order compelling the Minister of State Security, the Acting Director General of SSA, and SSA to give him documents that he knew they had said they were prepared to give him if they were relevant to the work of the Commission or related to allegations that had been made against him in the Commission if he complied with Chapter 24 of the regulations in terms of the Intelligence Services Act of 2002. This is difficult to understand.
Justice Zondo says a part of his reasons for denying Fraser's application is because he failed to comply with the State Security Agency and the Intelligence Services Act, which would have guided how certain documents could be declassified.
It is quite clear that they agreed as to what should happen, and that included compliance with Chapter 24 of the regulations promulgated under the Intelligence Services Act of 2002. The State Security Agency says he has not complied with that. In order to get the documents that he contends he is entitled to get, he has not explained why he has not done so in circumstances where he told this Commission on affidavit that those documents that he sought were very important in order for him to complete his statement and to give this Commission a complete picture. In those circumstances, I can see no reason why it can be said that it is in the interest of the work of the Commission to grant the applicant leave to cross-examine any of these witnesses.
Wednesday's judgment paves the way for the chapter on the State Security Agency to be closed as Zondo races against time to conclude his report, which is due to be handed over to President Cyril Ramaphosa by the end of December. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ziyanda Ngcobo in Johannesburg.